Most people are sitting on gold mines of skill, but they're either overwhelmed by where to start or stuck believing it takes months to see results. But not today. Because in this video, I'm showing you ChatGPT hacks that can help you turn your skills into real revenue this week, not next month, not someday, right now. Whether you're a writer, designer, teacher, or even just someone with strong opinions and curiosity, this is for you. Let's get into it. Hack number 1, I call this one the freelance multiplier. Here's the concept. You already have a skill, even if you don't know it yet. Maybe you write decent emails, help friends with resumes, create Instagram, post for your cousin's business, or explain things clearly when people ask you for advice. Those are marketable skills. Take your everyday knowledge and turn it into a productized service. Here's how. Open ChatGPT and tell it this. Act as a freelance services consultant. Ask me 10 questions to identify my most marketable skill. And how to sell it. That prompt alone unlocks everything. ChatGPT will break you down, help you understand what you're good at, and even suggest service ideas people are paying for on Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn. Once you answer the questions, ask it to generate 3 detailed offers based on your responses, complete with price points and target clients. Now, this is where the magic happens. Take those 3 offers and plug them back into ChatGPT with this prompt. Write a Fiverr profile bio, gig title, and 3 packages based on this offer. Make it SEO optimized to attract clients. Boom. You now have a complete freelancing setup ready to launch. Don't stop there. Ask ChatGPT to write 5 Twitter or LinkedIn posts advertising your new service. Use those to drive traffic if you're starting from zero. And if you're thinking,
but what if I don't get clients immediately?
Here's another trick. ChatGPT can simulate sales conversations. Just prompt it like this. Act as a potential client and ask me 5 questions about my service. Then give me feedback on my answers. You'll be improving your pitch before a real person even messages you. I've seen people use this hack to go from $0 to $300 their first week offering proofreading, Instagram content planning, resume editing, and even voiceover scripts, all powered by ChatGPT structuring. And here's the best part. You can scale it. As demand grows, feed your workflow back into ChatGPT. Ask it to generate templates, outlines, or creative variations to help you deliver faster without burning out. It's not just freelancing anymore, it's AI-assisted productivity. You didn't burn out. You didn't overthink. You didn't spend weeks learning funnels or hiring a team. You just used one tool, ChatGPT, and your own interests. You worked with what you already had. And this is the shift that's happening now. The people who are using ChatGPT this way aren't just saving time. They're multiplying their time. They're creating leverage. And in the age of AI, leverage is everything. And if you've been waiting for permission to start, let this be it. You don't need more time. You need a plan. These 3 hacks are the plan. Start with one, test it. Let ChatGPT be your co-pilot. You're not too late. You're right on time. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. It really helps the channel. Above all, it doesn't cost. Thanks for watching. Until then, stay safe.